Have you ever put your iPhone in your pocket and accidentally called someone? You know you have. Everybody's done this. Or maybe you're looking at pictures and you swipe to go to the next picture and something happens and suddenly you're in the calendar app. I hate it when that happens. It's like my iPhone has a mind of its own. Learning how to swipe the screen and navigate the iPhone is the gateway to everything. If you struggle with tapping icons, swiping screens, and generally finding your way around your iPhone, then stick around for this short video. I'm going to give you 5 tips on how to navigate your iPhone screen. And yes, you can do it. It's really not that hard. Roll the intro. Hi. I'm Rich Bolin, and welcome back to my iPhone for Seniors series. I'm slowly building out a series of basic tips that'll help you get the most out of your iPhone. If you're new here and you find these videos helpful, please consider subscribing and tapping the little bell so you'll be notified when a new video is released. And a special thank you to all of you who have subscribed. We're building a strong community of folks who want to learn how to better use their iPhones and iPads. So today's video contains 5 swiping tips. How to swipe down to search, how to swipe down to open Notification Center, how to swipe down to open Control Center, how to swipe right to open your Today view, how to swipe up to view your open applications, and actually there's a 6th, it's kind of a little bonus. How to swipe up to get to your home screen, which is frankly probably the most important one of all. And before I jump over to show you how to do these gestures, I just want to remind you not to be intimidated by this. They're really not that hard, and once you get the hang of it, you'll be swiping all over the place, including within applications. And if you think I'm going too fast, just back the video up and watch it again until you get the hang of things. Okay, the first thing I want to show you is how to swipe down to search. And you really swipe from about the middle of the iPhone screen. Just put your finger in the middle and swipe down. And now you're in the search and you can type in, anything you want. Like there, I'm typing in my email and then I just tap on it and I'm in my email inbox. And that's all there is to it. You just start from the middle of the screen, swipe down, and you're in the search box. And that's a quick way to try to find something on your phone rather than just scrolling around trying to find a particular application. Okay, the next thing I want to show you is how to swipe down to open Notification Center. So Notification Center does what it says. Well, it notifies you of stuff. And to get there, it's very easy. Just start at the very top of your phone and just gently pull it down like that. And now you're in Notification Center. So here you can check on whatever you've set up to be notified about. Here I had motion at my front door on my Ring doorbell. So that's just a very simple way to get to Notification Center. Again, all you do is just pull down from the top. Okay, the next one is pretty easy too, and that's how to open Control Center. In Control Center, you can do a lot of different things with your phone, and I've put out a video on how to navigate Control Center on the iPad, and it's very similar on the iPhone. But here you swipe down from the top as well, but you just swipe down from the top right, like that, and you're in the Control Center. And from here, you can lower or raise the brightness of your phone. You can raise or lower the volume. And those are the 2 things I do. It's easier than fumbling around with the buttons on the side to lower the volume. You can turn your flashlight on from here, and you can do a variety of different things. Put it in airplane mode. You can screen mirror if you're wanting to show pictures on your Apple TV. But it's all right in Control Center, and the way to do that is simply to swipe down from the top right. Pretty easy. So the next one I want to show you is how to get to your Today view. The Today view is a screen hidden on the left-hand side of your home screen, and you just start over on the left and swipe to the right. And there you get into your Today view. And from here you can add widgets, and I'm going to create a video on how to add widgets. But I have one widget here, and it has a bunch of widgets all in one square bracket. This thing here is called a widget. And I can just scroll through. I can look at music, I can look at pictures, I can look at podcasts, and I can get the news. And that's how you do it. You just simply swipe from left to right to get to your Today view. Pretty simple. The next one is just a little bit harder, and it is how to swipe up to view all your open applications. So this one, you swipe up and you sort of stop as you get to the middle of the screen. So if you swipe up like this and stop, now you can see all of the applications that you have open. And I've got a whole bunch open. And maybe you want to go to a particular application, you can do that. And if you want to get back and view all your applications again, you just swipe up and stop in the center, and then you find your application. There's my email inbox, here's pictures, and I can swipe through pictures that I've taken. And from here you can close applications. You just tap on the application and swipe it up towards the top of the screen. And it just closes them one by one by one by one. And that's how you close applications, by simply swiping up and seeing what you have open. Pretty simple. Now lastly, one of the things I've been doing in this whole little video is getting back to the home screen. So if you're in an application like this, and you want to get back to your home screen very quickly, if you have an older phone, you can just tap on your home button. But if you have a newer phone that doesn't have a home button, all you do is just swipe up. Just swipe up from the bottom, and that's it. You can open an application and swipe up. Just like that. And that's a quick way to get back to your home screen. That's kind of a bonus tip, but you probably already know that. But the whole thing about this is just getting used to navigating around, getting used to searching, and getting used to looking at your notification center, and getting used to seeing what apps you have open, and then getting into Control Center. It's all very simple. It's all just a few swipes, but if you practice it, you can get the hang of it. It's not that hard. And once you have this down, using your iPhone becomes much, much easier. So there you have it. Will learning these gestures keep the gremlins from making a phone call when you put your iPhone in your pocket or purse? No, they will not. That's still going to happen. But at least now, you know how to swipe your way out of the problem. I really hope you found these quick tips helpful. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.